I really like that variation of the step down that I was doing with the wall the other day. So this is a Gymlab tutorial on the wall paired forward step down. So let's just call it. So just like a regular step down, you do need the elevation, whether that's yoga blocks, books, a low step, and then of course in this variation we're going to need the wall. We're going to have a demo on the regular forward step first, which the whole point of that is alignment and strength through the knee and the ankle. So the working leg is what is elevated on that platform. The heel gets all that weight, okay? The floating leg comes forward and down and just lightly kisses the floor. If you don't have the reach with that heel, you would reach with your toe or flat foot, but it's just the gentlest touch. Now, the whole point is, as we bring that forward foot down, we glide this knee directly in line with that middle toe and big toe, okay? So we're focusing on that alignment, and of course you'll feel all this musculature here for the strengthening benefits. Now, once we take away some sort of a balance, especially, you might find that it's hard to focus on that knee and ankle alignment because your hips also want to shift, okay? So that happens to me on my left side, my bad side, or, you know, we really shouldn't use that kind of language, okay? I'm gonna try to stop doing that. There's a reason for everything, okay? There's a reason why we have that bad side, okay? So I don't wanna label it as such. It's okay if I do it on myself, don't do it on you. Now, in order to do it with my variation, we're going to take your foot's distance away from that wall. I like that to be the support. And just turn it that way. So that will be your distance. I'm going to show you on my right leg this time so you can see a little bit better. And here is the spicy bonus on this variation. We're going to have some arm and shoulder work in external rotation. So we have our thumbs up, hands pointed away from you. Give me a little bit of a relaxed gun finger here, because you're going to put the back of these 2 points of the hand, or your gun finger, against that wall. So you're going to roll your shoulder back and down, place that against that wall. Okay, so you should feel your arm and shoulder engagement. From here, we're going to do the same movement, however, with the fact of our arms behind our body line, we automatically have engaged in this sort of micro hinge. And as we do the tap down, and your knees should travel forward just as before, as you do the tap down, this is sort of locking your hips in place. So while you're focusing on that ankle-knee alignment and strengthening, you're automatically grooving the pattern of your hips staying stable. And believe me, this burns all through your shoulders, a little bit in the tricep. All right, so give that one a go.